One of the reasons why a lot of us are not succeeding in Forex is because we don't treat Forex as a business. We treat Forex as a gambling platform. We treat Forex as a place where when we need money, we just go get the money, maybe as a loan platform or something like that. Forex is a business. For instance, now let me give you a clue. If you have a boutique and you bought some clothes for $10, of course you really want to sell it for $15 or $20 at most, or sometimes even $25. And then if customer comes and price $5, we don't sell because we bought it $10, right? We want to sell above what we bought it to make profit. So even if we refuse to sell for $5, the cloth is still with us. We don't lose the cloth. A whole lot of us in Forex trading, we enter a trade and then we see $15 profit. We have a $10 capital, we see $15 profit, and then when the market goes $15, $20, we refuse to close. When the market also come back to $5, we still refuse to close, forgetting that we are losing. So we don't treat Forex as a business. We treat Forex as a gambling place. We don't take the money. That is most of the reasons why a lot of persons fail in Forex. So if you take Forex as a business, you will not enter a random entry. You will only take A+ setups. So when you see a manipulation candles in the market, like those candles with the long wick, you don't take those kind of trade. You wait after the manipulation, you enter your entry. When you plan very well, you plan how to execute. Before you get a goose, you already plan how much you want to sell it. You already plan how much profit you want to make. You already plan, okay, if worst comes to worst, this is how much I'm going to sell. So same thing should be in Forex. Until you start looking at Forex this way, it will be so hard to succeed in this game. So manipulation candles are candles used by the big market makers like the big banks to gather liquidity before, or clearing liquidity before moving market to the original direction which market is supposed to go. It happens a lot of time, both in currency market, both in synthetic markets. From your analysis, market was supposed to buy heavily, but once you enter the trade, you see that market is going the opposite direction. And then if you watch closely, if you can close out and watch closely, you see how manipulative the market is. You see that the market actually wanted to clear liquidity from. So there are two ways on how you can conquer manipulations in the market. The first way is create a strategy like the one I'm using, that I enter a trade very early, extremely early from the week. I pick a trade from the week. So even if the market goes like 50 pips after my entry and then decides to come down a little bit to manipulate people before finally moving to my directions, I'm still in profit. And once that trade is in profit for 50 pips, I can move my stop loss to entry, making sure that my capital is more secure. So remember, we said treating Forex as a business. So my capital is very secure. No matter what goes on this trade, my capital must be secure. The second way is you wait for your setup to play out, so that after the manipulations, after everything, you get multiple confirmation, multiple conflicts before you enter a trade. So I don't really like that pattern, because sometimes when you enter a trade, the trade still go your way, then after a whole lot of stuff still come back many times, still come back to retest entry. Sometimes it passes the entry. So I don't really like the psychology behind that kind of entry, is too much. So I like picking a trade where very early, so that even if it's coming back to play with my psychology, I'm already in deep profit, and I can put my stop loss on entry and go and sleep. Don't forget that this is money you are trading with. Any mistake you make, you pay with dollars. So you need to be very careful get a proper strategy, get a good strategy that will make you good money, that each time you enter into the forex market, you can boastfully come out with profit at most times. Of course, the strategy must have losses, but not that kind of losses that when you lose, you lose too much. So guys, if you find value in this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Bye.